Reason for Sneezing, written by EDM, illustrated by Matt Loveridge. Focus question: what happens to our body when we sneeze? The reason for sneezing is really quite clear. You breathe some dust and blow it out in the air. Your nose gets a tickle because of this dust. Your body records it, it shoots and it smells. The way that you sneeze is always the same. Information is sent to your lungs from your brains. Many music content to push the sneeze through. Your dangling really just makes us too. You action the tongue on the roof of your mouth before your nose to blow that breathe out. And blow out it will. It explodes with great power. The sneeze can go 100 miles an hour. Are you sick in bed with a cold or the flu? You know this will cause you sneeze a lot too. Sneeze at the little arm. A sneeze is dangerous. Feels the give us from harm. Next time you sneeze, keep in the mind of